Hi friends, remember last week when we looked at window shapes in the neighborhood? Looking at all those windows, I noticed something else too. Some houses have more windows than I do. And that means that some houses have less windows than I do too. So today, you're going on another window hunt. First, start at your house or apartment and count how many windows you have on the front of your house or apartment. Then go through your neighborhood and see if you can find a house that has more windows than you and a house that has less windows than you. Take a photo of each of those houses. So one of the front of your house, one of the more house, and one of the less house. Once you have all three of those photos, here's your plan.
When looking at my house, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 windows. This neighbor has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and a few sneaky windows. 13, 14, 15, 16. So she has less than me. 16 is less than 18. And this neighbor has 5 right here and 5 right here, which equals 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, behind that tree, 20, 21. 21 is more than 18. Once you have taken your 3 photos, the picture of your house, of a house that has less windows than you, and a house that has more windows than you, go into Pic Collage, the one that I have in the top, kind of middle, with the apple. And then you are going to go to Grids, the pink one, and you are going to find your 3 houses. 1, 2, 3, and check mark, for those are the 3. And then I need to choose my grid. I think I am going to choose this one, and I'm going to move my house to the top. And then I am perfectly good with that. I like that. So I can go to the green check mark. And again, backgrounds. You can go to backgrounds if you want to and change it however you'd like. Green check mark when done. And then we're going to go to that little pencil in the bottom corner that says doodle. We're going to go there and you get to choose what color you want to draw with. I'm going to draw with this blue. And I'm going to slide, the more that you slide over here, the bigger the marker is going to be. Down here, well, that's really small. I don't think I'm going to go that small. So I'm going to go kind of big here. And then with my finger on my house, I had 18. Whoa, that's really big. I don't know if I want it that big. Look up at the top and there's a little arrow that kind of is curved. I'm going to click that arrow to go back. I don't want it that big. I'm going to move that down a little bit more. All right, I had 18, so I'm going to write 18 on my picture. The neighbor with that half circle window, she had 16, so I'm going to write 16 on hers. And then the other house had 21. When I'm done with that, I'm going to check my little check mark. I am done, so I press done. And then the part you have to remember, save to library. When it is saved, you are going to go back out to Seesaw. Once you are in Seesaw, you're going to do the add your work. And remember, this time you're not going to take a photo. You're going to do that cloud and do upload. You're going to do photos. And then I'm going to go into recently added and find my Pic Collage. Green check mark. Now, when I'm in here, when I do the recording part, what I am going to say to my teacher is first, how many windows I have, and then which number is more or greater and which number is less or smaller. So it will sound like this. I have 18 windows. The windows that I found that were more was 21. The windows that I found that were less, 16. After I record that, I'm going to do that green check mark to send it to my teacher.